हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम 9th क्लास गणित का अभ्यास 4 का लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल हल करेंगे। लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल में आज हम लीनियर इक्वेशन का ग्राफ के द्वारा रिप्रेजेंटेशन सीखेंगे। टुडे वी लर्न graphs of the linear equation in two variable. Ninth class mathematics chapter 4 linear equation in two variable. We learn today topic graph of the linear equation in two variable. Friends, till now we learn to obtain the solution of a linear equation in two variable algebraic. Now we see their graphical representation. We know that each such equation has infinitely many solutions. Hence, हम जानते हैं कि इस तरह की लीनियर इक्वेशन जो होती है उसका इनफाइनाइट मैनी सॉल्यूशन होते हैं। जो लीनियर इक्वेशन होती है, we obtain the solution of the linear equation in pair. Means the solution as pair of value मीन्स जो सोल्यूशन होता है वो पेयर ऑफ वैल्यू होता है। मीन्स वो एक्स और वाई के पेयर में सोल्यूशन प्राप्त होता है लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल का। इसको समझने के लिए फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस वी टेक an example. We take an example. What example? Suppose one linear equation x plus 2y equal to 6. हमने इसके भी find the solution of this linear equation. We prepared a table for the solution. Suppose solution is come x and y, pair of x and y. Suppose we put the value 0, then we find the value of y equal to 3. Then we put the value 2. Then we find the value of y is 2. Then we put the value of x is 4. Then we find the value of y is 1. Then we put the value of x is 6. Then we find the value of y is 0. And so on. This is the solution of this linear equation. Now we put the solution in the graph. How? We take a graph. And we draw axis. One horizontal axis and other is a vertical axis. Horizontal axis we tell x-axis. And vertical axis we tell y-axis. We divide the axis in equal part and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and in negative side of y-axis -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Now we put the value of linear equation. What value? S equal to 0, then y equal to 3. 0 and 3. Then S equal to 2 and y equal to 2. The perpendicular line we draw from y-axis and x-axis, then we find this point 2 and 2. Then S equal to 4 and y equal to 1. S equal to 4 and y equal to 1. Then S equal to 6 and y equal to 0. The x-axis is linear equation is y equal to 0. Then the point we find this point 6 and 0. Then we join this point and we find a straight line every point on the straight line is the solution of the linear equation s plus 2y equal to 6. Now for the observation of this example, we find every point whose coordinates satisfy the equation lie on the line. Every point A and B on the line give the solution s equal to A and s equal to B of the equation. Any point which does not lie on the line is not a solution of the equation. You understand what it means? Means every point which lie on the equation, which lie on the line, who is the satisfy the linear equation. Suppose A or B, the coordinate of the one point on line, then we tell that solution of the line is s equal to a and y equal to b, and any point which not lie on the line, जो every point which not lie on the line, which does not lie on the line is not a solution of the equation. जो एनी पॉइंट जो इस इक्वेशन पर स्थित नहीं है वो इसका सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. सो फ्रेंड्स, ए लीनियर इक्वेशन in two variable is represented geometrically by a line whose point make up the collection of the solution of the equation. You understand? Means a linear equation in two variable का ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन क्या है? एक लाइन. वो लाइन क्या है? द कलेक्शन ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द इक्वेशन. द कलेक्शन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द इक्वेशन में जो इक्वेशन के जो सॉल्यूशन है उनका एक संग्रह है. नाउ इसमें एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट क्या है कि डिग्री वन पॉलीमर इक्वेशन कौन सी मीन्स ए एक्स प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी इक्वल टू 0. ये क्या है? डिग्री वन पॉलीमर इक्वेशन है. इज कॉल्ड ए लीनियर इक्वेशन. इसको हम लीनियर इक्वेशन कहते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज द ज्योमेट्रिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज ए स्ट्रेट लाइन. ज्योमेट्रिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज ए स्ट्रेट लाइन. अंडरस्टैंड? इसका ज्योमेट्रिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन करेंगे, इसका मतलब इसका कार्टेशियन प्लेन में इसको डिनोट करेंगे तो हमें क्या होगा कि स्ट्रेट लाइन प्राप्त होगी. इसलिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं? जो पॉलीमर इक्वेशन है, पॉलीनोमियल इक्वेशन, पॉलीनोमियल इक्वेशन डिग्री वन. इसका ज्योमेट्रिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन क्या है? ए स्ट्रेट लाइन. So we tell this equation is a linear equation. Now we take example 5. Example 5 are telling give the point क्या है? 1 and 2. Find the equation of the line on which it lie. How many such equations are there? Friends, the point is a solution of the linear equation. Means this point क्या है? Solution of the linear equation. A linear equation means a linear equation have solution. Suppose solution is 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 is satisfy the linear equation. Then we telling this point is a solution of that linear equation. Now you are looking for any line passing through the point. You are looking for any line passing through the point 1 and 2. For this purpose, we find linear equations such लीनियर इक्वेशन क्या है? x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 3। फर्स्ट इक्वेशन तो ये बन जाती है, मीन्स जो पॉइंट है इनका हम सम करने पर क्या आता है? 3। तो मीन्स ये दिस इज x, दिस इज y, तो दोनों x प्लस वाई करने पर क्या आएगा? 3 आ जाएगा। सेकंड क्या बन जाए? इक्वेशन क्या बन जाती है? x माइनस वाई। x माइनस वाई करने पर क्या आएगा फ्रेंड्स? व्हाट हैपन? x माइनस वाई इक्वल टू -1। सेकेंड लीनियर इक्वेशन, दिस इज फाइन। थर्ड लीनियर इक्वेशन क्या है? x इक्वल टू y. It is wrong because we put coordinate in this equation s equal to 1, then y equal to 2, then s equal to 2, 1 equal to 2. This is wrong. So we tell 2x equal to y or y equal to 2x. This is three linear equation. The point is satisfy this equation, these three equations. Since they also satisfy y, the coordinate of the point. In fact, there are infinite many linear equations which are satisfied by the coordinate of the point 1 and 2. Now we take example 6. Example 6 tell, draw the graph of x plus y equal to 7. x plus y equal to 7 का हमें क्या करना है? ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है. For drawing the graph, first we find the coordinate, but first we find the solution of this equation. What is the solution of this equation? We draw a table, then the solution is come x and y, pair of x and y. We put in this equation s equal to 0, then we find y equal to 7. Then we put s equal to 7, then we find y equal to 0, and so on. Now in graph, we take graph paper and we put these in the graph, this solution in the graph. S equal to 0, we put s equal to 0 means first we draw the x-axis and y-axis, and then we equally divide the axis and write the real number on the axis 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then we find the coordinate in the graph, means solution of the equation in the graph. Solution of the equation in the graph. Then क्या दिया है? The coordinate solution is given s equal to 0, then y equal to 7. S equal to 0, then y equal to 7. First solution is this, s equal to 0, then y equal to 7. Second solution, s equal to 7 and y equal to 0. S equal to 7, then s equal to 7, then and y equal to 0. This is solution. S equal to 7 and y equal to 0. Then we join this point and find a straight line. Find a straight line that is represent the x plus y, s plus y equal to 7. This line is represent the x plus y equal to 7. Now we take another example. Example number 7. But telling 7, you know that the force applied on a body is directly proportional to the acceleration produced in the body. Write an equation to find the solution and plot the graph of the equation. He telling the force applied, force F, is applied on a body is directly proportional to the acceleration produced in the body. Suppose the force applied be by unit. Force applied is force is y unit, and acceleration is produced is x unit. Then we write this y proportional to x. Then we know that one constant value is required. Remove the proportional. Yeah, this expression. Suppose that value is k. K क्या है? एक constant. Suppose that value is k. K is a constant. K क्या है? A constant. K is a constant. Then y equal to kx. This equation we find according to example 7. Now we do not know the value of k, so we assume that value of k is, let us take k equal to 3. Let us take k equal to 3, then y equal to 3x. New equation is this. Now we prepare a solution. Now we find the solution of the linear equation in two variables. So we form a table Solution is come in pair x and y. So we put x and y. Now we put the value of x and y. Suppose s equal to 0, then y equal to also 0. Suppose we put s equal to 1 in this equation, then y equal to 3. Suppose we put in the equation s equal to 2, then y equal to 6. This is the solution of this linear equation. Now we take a graph and put this value in the graph. In graph, we put the solution of this linear equation in two variables. First solution is 0, 0. S equal to 0 and y equal to 0, this coordinate. And the solution is s equal to 1 and y equal to 3. S equal to 1 and y equal to 3. This solution, s equal to 1 and y equal to 3. Now another solution is s equal to 2 and y equal to 6. S equal to 2 and y equal to 6. This is another solution. Then we join these three solutions and we find a straight line. These straight line represent the equation s equal to y equal to 3x. These straight line represent the y equal to 3x. So we find that when we applied the force and produce acceleration, we find in this graph that we applied the force. How many? We applied the force. We applied the force and produced the acceleration. When we does not apply any force, then do not produce acceleration, then we applied force 3 unit, then produce the acceleration is 1 unit. The produce the acceleration is 1 unit. Then we applied the force 6 units. 6 unit, then produce the force the acceleration is 2 unit. Sun is 2 units. Now we take another example. Example number 8. In this example, write for each of the graph given in the figure 4.5. Select the equation whose graph you see, friends, this question. For each of the graph given in figure 4.5, select the equation whose graph is from the choice given below. जो ग्राफ है वो इन लीनियर इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है, वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि कौन सा ग्राफ इन लीनियर इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करता है. तो वी चेक ईच linear equation by the coordinate that is given in the graph. Suppose we take first linear equation 8 a x plus y equal to 0. x plus y equal to 0, we take the graph first and we put the coordinate in this equation. We put 1 and 2 in this equation. 1 and 2 means 3. 1 plus 2 equal to 3 equal to 0. But that is not satisfying. So this is not satisfying. Then other coordinate is given. Other equation is given y equal to 2x. In equation we put s equal to 1. Then y equal to 2. That is satisfying. Means that equation is satisfying. We put next point s equal to minus k1 and y equal to minus k2. That is also satisfying. Means graph first is a representation of linear equation 8a second. 8a का सेकंड का ये रिप्रेजेंटेशन है. ग्राफ फर्स्ट. Then we take 8b. 8b given x plus y equal to 0. We take the second graph and put the coordinate of the second graph in the linear equation s plus y. In second graph, the coordinate is given 1 and 6. Coordinate given 1 and 6. 1 and 6 we put in this coordinate, then we find 1 plus 6 equal to 7, though that is not satisfy this equation. Another equation is given y equal to 2x. We put in this equation, that is not satisfy. Another equation is given y equal to 2x plus 4. We put the coordinate in this equation. Then we find s equal to 1 plus s equal to 1 में put करते हैं तो 2 plus 4 equal to 6. Then y equal to 6 means third equation is satisfied by this coordinate. Then we put next coordinate is 0, 4. 0, 4 we put in this equation. Then we find s equal to 0 means 0 and y equal to 4. Then 4 equal to 4 means that is also satisfied. Next coordinate is given minus 2 and 0. We put this coordinate in this equation. Then y equal to 0. Then s equal to 0, s equal to minus 2. S equal to minus 2 put करते हैं तो minus के 4. Minus के 4 plus 4 equal to 0. Then y equal to 0 is also satisfied. Means this graph second is representation the equation y equal to 2x plus 4. Then we take 8c. 8c में ग्राफ फर्स्ट. 8c में लिखें लीनियर इक्वेशन फर्स्ट इज गिवन s plus y equal to 0. We take graph third and put the coordinate 2 and 0 in this equation. That is not satisfying. Next linear equation is y equal to 2x. We put this coordinate in this equation. That is also not satisfying. Then we take next linear equation y equal to 2x plus 1. We put 2x plus 1, s equal to 2, so 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. That is not satisfying. Then we take another linear equation y equal to 2x plus 2x minus 4. We put s equal to 2. 2 into 2 equal 4, 4 minus 4 equal to 0. That is satisfying by 2 and 0 coordinate. Another coordinate is given 1 and minus k2. 1 and minus k2 s equal to 1. 1 पुट करते हैं तो तो 1 into 2 equal to 2 minus 4 equal to minus k2, that is also satisfy. Then other coordinate is given 0 minus k4, 0 minus k4 पुट करते हैं, 0 पुट करते हैं, then s equal to 0, 2 into 0 to 0 by equal to minus k4, that is also satisfy. Another coordinate is given minus k1 and 6, minus 6. Minus 1 is by I put in this equation, s equal to minus k1, then 2 into minus k1 into minus k2, minus k2 minus 4 equal to minus 6, then also satisfy. Means our coordinate is satisfy the linear equation 8C4. 8C4. So when this, now we start the exercise 4.3 in next video.